Say hi to
Hello,
Ryzshik.
everybody. This is my cat. His name is Ryzshik. Ryzshik, say hi to the audience. There, he said it. Oh my god, he's a very responsive kitty. Right? Are you sure you're a responsive cat? Good. You're such a cute baby. Oh. Ryzshik, how are you feeling? Are you feeling good? Yeah? What is that supposed to mean? What are these lines on my camera also? When I'm in this room, maybe the lighting affects it. What are you doing, stretching, little baby, huh? He's a little baby. Oh, you baby, baby. Who's baby, baby? You baby. Who's the baby? He's my kitty. Who's my cute baby, are you? Yeah, that's it. Oh, yeah. He's my kitty. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You baby, you cute. Yeah, that's it. That's a yeah, I want to hear. Cute little eye. He's like golden eyes. He's a king. He has like golden fur and golden eyes, like a lion. Anyway, yeah, that's him. If you want to see more of him, consider subscribing and yeah. Boom. He's gonna eat. See y'all in the next one. Goodbye.